and welcome. You're watching Don Bosco Media Network. This is Abigail Carmelim bringing to you the news and events in Meghalaya. Here are the headlines for today. World Water Day observed across Meghalaya, National Tuberculosis Elimination Program held at Shillong Club, and Export Promotion Conference cum Biocell Meet held at State Convention Centre, Shillong. And now the news in detail. World Water Day has been celebrated each year on March 22nd since 1992. This day focuses on the importance of fresh water and presses for the sustainable management of fresh water resources. Besides, the day is aimed at raising awareness about 2.2 billion people living without access to safe water resources globally. According to the United Nations, global water demand is likely to rise by over 50% by 2040. On this theme, several programs were held in the state at different districts. In Western Circle, Nongson, a program was held where many youth from different walks of life attended the said program. In Jowai, a program was held in the District Library Auditorium, Minthong, Jowai, organized by the Office of the Executive Engineer, PHE, Rural Water Supply, Jowai, with the Additional Deputy Commissioner, Shri P.K. Boro, as the chief guest in the presence of Additional Deputy Commissioner, Shri L. Kinjing, ADC, Srimati D.D. Singhai, EAC Srimati Y.R. Maulong and EAC Shri M.A. Chalam and others. And the exhibition was also displayed on the theme Save Water, Every Drop Counts, and later prizes were distributed to the winners. Participants also witnessed the launching of Jal Shakti Abhiyan Catch the Rain Where It Falls When It Falls, launched by the Honorable Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi. The National Tuberculosis Elimination Program Office of the State Tuberculosis Centre Meghalaya Shillong organized a program for the media advocacy on the 22nd of March 2021 at Shillong Club. This program aimed at sensitizing the media persons who have an important role in dispersing information to the general public. Present on the occasion were Dr. J. Lakyang, State Tuberculosis Officer, Dr. S. M. Rintatyang, APO NTP Meghalaya, Dr. G. Borgohant, WHO NTP Meghalaya, J. Dingdo SPPM Coordinator NTP Meghalaya, media representative amongst others. Speaking at the program, Dr. S. M. Rintatyang stressed on the different treatment of the disease. She also spoke on the benefits of NTP, importance of cough etiquettes and cleanliness was also proposed.
Tobacco users, alcohol. Now, COVID-19 also bidirectional screening is needed. If the patient with history of cough, fever, if they are COVID negative, then we can screen the sputum, it might be TB. It is found that the existence of these comorbidity in a TB patient are common.
Dr. G. Borgohan stressed on the importance of media, where he points out that media plays a vital role in conveying the correct message to the community and people at large. Tuberculosis is curable if properly diagnosed in time. Stigmas associated to the ailment must be put to an end, and this can successfully happen if media can convey the right message to the general public. He also informed that India, along with the state government, has targeted to eliminate tuberculosis by 2025. In an interactive session, Dr. Borgohan spoke on the initiative taken to curb the disease and ways to help the people to eliminate the disease.
4 years left to eliminate TB from our country and from the state of Meghalaya. So, I will request you, all the media friends, to kindly give the correct message to the community, to the people of our state. Awareness is something very important. Deaths due to TB, suffering due to TB is still high. It's in fact one of the major burden in comparison to the other disease. TB is one of the major burden in our state. So the proper message, awareness removal of stigma, which only the media people can do, is very important.
Buyer-seller meet is a platform where long-term relationship is built and results in long-term partnership in production, quality improvement, export opportunities and better price realization. Export is one of the most highly competitive world that have factors within and beyond our control, especially for perishable sectors, to ensure that trajectories goes in a smooth path. Dr. Ahmed also said that this meet is a one-stop platform for buyers and entrepreneurs to directly interact with farmers, exchange samples of product and place order. Therefore, he reiterated on the aspect of doing a business that is sincere, trustworthy, faithful, reliable, that can be beneficial to both farmers and entrepreneurs. Dr. Amit informed that the government had come up with various schemes to support buyers and farmers, including logistics support to farmers and to realize the export reach the last mile forward. The government of Meghalaya is also focusing on one cluster, one product with focus on processing, logistics, value chain link and market link. He informed that Riboy to be a pineapple district, West Khasi Hills a ginger district, South West Khasi Hills a honey district and South Garo Hills a jackfruit district, besides Jainta Hills as a Lakadong district. He expressed hope that this meet will not just be a one-time visit but will further the business opportunities of our farmers.
Hello everyone, my name is Manveer Singh Khanuja. I am from Indore, Madhya Pradesh, looking for honey and all spices which are specialized in Northeast and millets. My company name is The Green Earth, working in the field of environment and agriculture both. Thank you, sir.
A very good morning to all of you. My name is Pankaj Ghosh. I am here representing my company Horticulture and Agro Product Retail International. I am here for sourcing of fresh gingers and turmeric from Meghalaya.
During 2013 to 2018, $95 billion were brought to the country through export of Apida products. Apida, since 1986, is working tirelessly to increase India's agro exports across the world. Mangoes, grapes, pomegranates, meat, groundnuts, and a variety of processed food items are exported to more than 200 countries worldwide. Today, India is the world's largest exporter of basmati rice. Apida's consistent efforts to help stakeholders in areas of infrastructure development, quality control, and market development have led to substantial results. Apida has built a robust online system of traceability for
According to the United Nations, on the special day of World Water Day, the theme is valuing water. The value of water is about much more than its price. This day is celebrated keeping in line with Sustainable Development Goal number 6, which is aimed at achieving water and sanitation by all for 2030. Sharing his view on this particular day, we also have our friend reporting from Britain, Dr. Brimley W.B. Lingdor, founder and CEO Eco-Friend World and Worldview Impact Foundation, whose mission is to plant 1 billion trees on Earth by 2030, starting from the eastern Himalayan region to the Delta region of Myanmar. From source to sea restoration of the cloud forest in the Himalayas to restoration of the mangrove forest by the Indian Ocean, with the help of multiple local farmer groups and communities, where around 20 million trees have been planted so far, with 980 million more trees to be planted by 2030.
Hi, this is Brimley. I'm reporting from Bromley, and there's a beautiful lake behind me in this beautiful park. The sun's just come out for us. It's incredible. As we celebrate the United Nations International World Water Day, I want to send a message to all our colleagues and partners working in Asia, especially from the Balipara Foundation that are working to restore the eastern Himalayan foothills and the glaciers that are melting, to our partners in Myanmar working to restore the mangrove forests in the Delta region, who are right now fighting for their freedom. May God be with you and protect you, especially the young people demonstrating in the streets, getting shot by the military junta. We are with you in spirit, and we will put pressure on the military government to bring back democracy to your country. But in the meantime, we need to also fight climate change. We've got less than 10 years left, and water is key in our debate to fight the climate. Climate change is all linked to water. If we cut down all our trees on the planet, ecosystems will collapse and we will all die. As the glaciers melt, sea level rises, everyone will suffer. Billions of people will suffer on our planet. So again, this is a call to action for all the young people out there to restore your ecosystems, wetlands just like this where the birds are sitting and chirping behind me, and forest ecosystems in the Himalayas, and mangrove ecosystems by the sea. May the forest be with you always. Happy World Water Day. Over and out.
So viewers, that is all we have for you today. Till we meet again, thank you for joining us.